Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. I've had a lot of emails and messages about people wanting to see some grass-fed beef. So in today's video, I've got a grass-fed Josdale point-end brisket. This product averages around about 5.5 kilos to 4.5 kilos. It's a great piece of meat. It's not as big as grain-fed, but I still really like these. And today, I'm just going to do a basic trim of it, and I'll be saving all the offcuts, but not all offcuts can be used for burger patties. That's what I use my offcuts for, but I'll do a video on that another day for you. So, to start with, you've got the mohawk or the canal. There's heaps of different words for all different pieces of these. So, if you look under here, there's sometimes a little bit of fat. That's good. I just scoop it out. Take that out, and then if you look here, this has amazing marbling for grass-fed beef. Look at that. That is amazing. That is what you want to see. This is beef from Victoria in Australia. So what I do, I just come straight down here, square it all up. I leave a bit of this fat on. I just like it when you barbecue it down. Just a little bit. Fat gives it flavour. Everybody loves flavour and fat. And spin them over. And really, this is how it's come from the meat factory. It's been all hand trimmed by really experienced butchers at the abattoir. They've done a really good job on this, and I'm really impressed with this product. Just take this little bit off here, and again you can see all the marbling inside there, right there. For a grass-fed product, this is very good. That's pretty much how I do all my briskets, as is. You can see the marbling in there again. Okay, so that's pretty much all done. Spin it over, it's all ready. You can fold that down. Some people leave it over like that, some people leave it like that. All different ways. So that's the grass-fed Josdale point-end brisket, and this is the off trim, and I'll be going over another video on that, on how to make smash burgers for you. And remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.